to UPSC Radio Lab. Recently in COP27, which was held in Egypt, India released her long-term strategy for low-carbon development. COPs, or Conference of Parties, is a group of countries that have signed the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. The Prime Minister of India in COP26 spoke about Panchamrit and enhanced climate targets. Panchamrit stated 5 targets. Non-fuel-based energy capacity of the country to be increased to 500 gigawatts by 2030. 2. 50% of country's energy requirement to be met with renewable energy sources again by 2030. 3. Reduction in total projected carbon emission by 1 billion tons starting from now till 2030. The 4th, to reduce the carbon intensity to less than 45% by 2030. And the 5th is the net zero emission by 2070. Net zero emission 2070 was reiterated in the COP27. Net zero emissions do not mean zero emissions. It means compensating for the emissions done by the country. It is compensated through creation of carbon sinks, increasing the forest area, and adopting future technologies like carbon capture and storage. The 4 key considerations before framing the net zero emission by 2070 were: India has contributed very less to emissions, although being the second populous country in the world. India's need for energies and development is going to be significant. 3. India is committed to low carbon emissions. And 4. India has to be climate resilient. The long-term strategy emphasizes on 4 key points: energy security, energy accessibility, employment, and of course the focus on Atmanirbhar Bharat. But these targets do not come without challenges. The main challenges are: 1. Need for concrete sectoral targets and trajectory. 2. Need for short-term goals and targets. 3. Huge dependence on coal. 4. We are home to some of the world's most polluted cities. 5. The climate funding and future technologies are required, as India needs an investment of more than $10 trillion beginning now to achieve this net zero emission.